Hello everyone, this is his tourist guide Fushimi and Daigo area in Kyoto. So today I'm here in Daigo temple in front of 5 stories pagoda. So yeah, unfortunately today's tour was cancelled due to this heavy raining. So that's why I came to here. So this wooden building is most oldest building in Kyoto, which still existing. The building was built 951, I think more than 1,000 years ago. So this building height, can you imagine? 38 meters. But remarkable thing is pagoda's top part. You can see top here. Hold on. Yeah, I have an umbrella today, so it's difficult to zoom up. Yep. Not here, not here. Over here. Yeah, you can see like barely there's top. So this top's height is 13 meters, only top part. Then it's gonna be beautiful balance because oops, not zoom up anymore. Yeah, come on. Yep. So if the top part is very longer, it's gonna be beautiful. But this balance need height like architectural technology very much. So this 5 stories pagoda is really worth seeing in Kyoto. And if you come to Kyoto, book now my tour. Thanks. But heavy raining. Yeah, this place is also good. Very quiet today. Nobody in here.